Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video of Zion 2023. And today it's the 6th episode of Cook Burgers, and we're like stopping at 10:15 in PM, so quite late. Oh dude, this is a crappy server. Well, today's the 6th episode, so I mean, why don't we go have some fun? Okay, let's first off, as a starter, I would like to say thanks for 300 subscribers. Yeah, about the live stream, I will be doing that tomorrow because I'm too lazy to do it today. So yeah. Yeah, what the? You're holding nothing. You're holding freakishly nothing. Okay, hold on while I try to change the live stream date. I know you guys have been waiting for it, but sad to say it's gonna be shifted tomorrow, so yeah, you're gonna have to wait. Oh yeah, but by the way, let's talk about stuff when I talk. So, okay. Anyways, I'm going to let's see. Okay. So actually, you guys have been doing all this stuff. You've been subscribing. Thanks for the subscribers, lol. I yeah, thanks for the subscribers, cause I really love you guys. You guys, oh bruh, what the? We got a viewer, but she's is in the chat. Okay, guys, stay tuned for stay tuned for April 16th. I'll be streaming on April 16th, 5 p.m. So don't miss it, okay? Everyone, please watch it. And yeah, thank you. All right, now let's continue the game. Alright, I'm back. Yeah. So actually, everything is just Okay, hold up. I'm gonna focus on other stuff first. You guys just enjoy the music, okay? Okay, I'm back. Oh, guys, I've been waiting for a while. Dude, it's like 5 a.m. Who eats burgers this late? Oh, yeah. Guys, I know McDonald's is 24 hours and all, but this is kind of weird. We're like serving burgers, and the time is going like stupid, insanely fast. Like, seriously. Dude, dude, I hate this door so much. Okay, let's get this microwave. Can I put it in my head? Cause, oh, I can't put it in my head. How do I flip it? Oh, there we go. Flip it! Flip the flipping thing! Okay. There we go. Microwave. Alright, it's 6:30 in the morning. It's time to cook up some burgers. Okay, first we gotta get some bread. Alright, the bread's coming. Okay. No! He unpacked it. Are you serious? Dude, why do you unpack the thing? Why do you freaking unpack the thing? Oh my god. Dude, my friends just spin facts out. Ugh. Dirty buns on the floor. Let's throw them right away. Someone left it in. Oh yeah, they're gone. Okay, there's sure to be bottom buns in here. And I was right. It's cool. You know what? When I first realized I'm supposed to throw the package into the trash bin outside, that's when I knew like literally what I'm supposed to do with the box. Because why not? Okay, we got some buns. Let's order patties next and cheese. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna check my friend. Okay, I'm back. Alright, let's see. We got these buns. We got the cheese. Oh, let's prep them up. We got those. You got those buns. Oh no, it's slightly. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Dude, who left the cheese on the floor? Oh no! What the? I missed. Dude, I'm so bad aiming. Oh my god, there's thunder outside. Dude, it's gonna rain. Are you serious? Like, literally, it's gonna rain. That is for the second time. Oh my god. How long is it gonna rain for? Dude. Okay, oh, someone's cooking the patties already. Cool. Okay, last two patties. Let's get them nice and fresh. Oh, this one's perfectly cooked. Let's chop that down. And then we can place the last patty on this plate, something. I don't know. Okay, done. Now let's throw this aside. Let's order more fries. We need fries as well. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm back. Oh wow, everything looks clean. Outside, it just become a haven. Inside, it's a hell. Dude, who left cheese in the sink? Oh, here it comes. Oh, nobody's here though. Oh yes! Clean the kitchen! Let's go! go. Oh, look at everything. It's so nicely sorted. Except fire extinguisher is still stuck in the butt. I don't even know how it got there. Okay, the kitchen is now clean. Let's have our first burger order. Bottom bun. Get a bottom bun. Okay, let's get those meat grilling. And then we get the cheese. Oh my god! Oh my god! Ethereum is here! Ethereum! How did he get there? Oh no! I am gonna be so screwed. That was literally my friend who I was trying to chat. Yeah, I was fine. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! What the? Dude, it's literally raining right now. Are you serious? Oh no! She's here! I can't believe it. She's actually here. No. No! Why is this thing overcooked? Dude! Are you... Really? Why is she here? Are you kidding me? Why is she here? Oh, it's raining. And the meat was overcooked just now. So 3 things are happening and badly. Oh my god. What? Today is a wild episode, guys. Well, I wonder what I should name this episode. I don't know. The viewers are wanting to go to a holiday, and the crowd wants to go home. I don't know. I'm just playing you along. Okay, let's go for this time. Where's the top button? Oh, that is Ethereum. Okay, let's go. Serve this to the customer. You want this? Yeah. Oh my god. Ching, ching, ha 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 ha. Oh, what the? Oh, I thought it was crashing. Okay, let's give someone their best burger. Go back, Xbox. No, I'm recording. I just exposed to her that I'm recording. Oh my god, stop swearing, dude. This channel is literally made for kids and everyone. Stop swearing. Dude, I said stop swearing. Dude, this is made for everyone, you know. Even kids. What if kids are watching this long? Are you freaking serious? You are literally... Oh, he's gonna... Dude, stop. I'm trying to apply this. Squat. Dude, stop. Stop, bro. Stop. What? You got crazy, man. Stop. Don't throw the dish. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. Dude, would you just calm down? Oh my god, 6 people, but I have the most money. Dude, stop serving raw fries. Okay, so we got another order coming in. We need no, I'm recording. Also, stop swearing. Long, dude. Oh my god. Dude. I won't if you go back to the chat. Oh. Okay, fine. But just this once. Okay. Am I even speaking English? No. Yes. Let's see. Dude, you want me to text you or to record? Stop. You want me to text you or to record? Yeah, you want me to record or text you? Dude, just tell me. If not, I don't know. Okay, go. My legs turn to fries. Okay, go. Lol, what the? Yay, 10 money! Oh look, he's like, look at me. Hi. Oh, dude, you're so creepy. You guys tell me like face. We're gonna talk about this prank thing. But I can't. Never mind. Okay, let's continue. Alright, next order's fries. So let's pop that in. Dude, also you think you're just a super executive? Well, bro, I don't care. Yo, I don't care. Wait, slightly fried. Let's get a plate. Dude, slightly fried. Come on, hurry up. Yes, perfectly fried. Dude, stop. Okay, there we go. Now let's give it to the customer. Where's the one who wants? Where's the one who wants the fries? Stop grabbing me. Those kinds of. It was exactly what I ordered. Okay, there we go. Give me $134 in total. All right. Next order. Let's see. We've got a double cheese and a lettuce. So let's get those right away. Come on, give it a. Oh dear, we ran out of cheese. Am I supposed to put single cheese or double cheese? Oh, I'm supposed to put double cheese now. No! Did I just send the cheese into the shadow realm? Dude. Oh no, the cheese is there. Luckily. Okay, you know what? I'm getting bored of this game. Wait, never mind. I just said it because there's no enough ingredients and I had to order. No waste time. Run! It's Harvey. Dude! Stop. Stop! Grabbing the dish! Dude! Okay. There we go. Next. Alright. Oh. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah. Sorry guys for the interruption. That was. Okay, come on. Get those cheese going. Alright, let's get in the cheese. Cheese goes here. Okay. Now position it carefully. There we go. Domino cheese. Oh no! Oh, I was pressing the wrong. Wrong. Oh yeah, we're calling for T. As you guys already know, I have a YT channel, so subscribe. No, no. Yeah, patties. Oh, yes. Why is it lagging? It's something happening. But he's controlling the fries. He's like deep frying them like a pro. Bro, Harvey's carrying places. What? Oh, lettuce. Let's go. Alright, let's get more buns on the way. We also need some fries. Oh bro, mouse. Okay. Oh, let's bring him in. What's the packages? You join the site. Dude, are you freaking kidding me? You threw the thing inside. Okay, let's start cooking on burger. Double cheese. It's the double cheese recipe. Oh, oh, you completed the burger. Let's go. Alright, let's take care of our buns. Let's take care of our steak. Oh, this was not cooking. This one's perfectly cooked. Let's put it on carefully. No, please. What's wrong with me? Can you sprint in this game? No, can't. There we go. Alright, that double cheese is done. Let's go. No! Stop! Hey, why are you carrying me, bro? Oh. What the? How do you use the fire thing? I'm carrying the money! Ching! Whoa, dude, calm down. Oh, wait. Oh, I reset it. No, no. Haha, you never caught me. Okay, guys, it's a chase for now. What the? Yay, where's the fridge? Oh, no, get inside the fridge. Get inside the fridge. Come inside the fridge. Where are you gonna bring me? What the? Oh my god! Harvey is literally doing it. um. Dude, stop. Lol. I wish there was a kicking system here. Oh my god, he's there. Dude. Okay, let's get those fries. We got one fries order incoming. So let's grab a plate. And then we can. Dude, stop! Ha, I escaped. You can't catch me. I always press space to jump so I can escape you. What the? Is it even perfectly fried yet? There we go. Dude, I'm missing out. No, wrong order! Again, that's like the third time in a row in this series. I did it as a fries, oh sorry. Sorry, man. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, sir. I didn't mean to do that. I accidentally got the fries. Dude, stop being throwing people in trash cans. Oh, he escaped. Dude, grab. Don't grab him. Oh, he left. Dude, don't be my next target. What the? Oh, bro. Oh no. Okay, let's go to the supermarket. I want to buy some stuff. Is the bank open? Is the bank open? No, the bank is closed. It's always closed. There's like literally nothing. Oh yay! Welcome to my shop. Okay, let's go to supermarket. We're gonna get some stuff. Hello. I'm gonna get the mysterious potion. No one knows what it does. Please bring money on the right plate. Okay, coming up. Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, look, it's blue. I look at this ship thing. Ching. Alright, let's drink it. I'm a cat. Oh, I can sprint. I'm a cat. Yeah, I can see too. Alright, let's go. Dude, Harvey's right there! Oh my god, I need to skip before he realizes. Can I drive forklifts? No. Oh, it's a ship. Let's see what it does. Harvey! Oh look, it's a ship with controls. But I'm a cat. And I can't do anything. Sad. Oh, at least we get to enjoy the nice view of the beach. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna sleep. Dude, this Minecraft cat sleeping. Dude, I'm like dancing. Am I break dancing? Like, See, I'm break dancing. What is that? Let's go inside, find out. Oh, jeez, I can't go inside. Alright, well, at least I can go back to the burger restaurant. Oh no, Javi. He's here. Hi. As you can see, I'm just a cat. Oh, what can I do with him? Give me it. Give me the rat. Give me the freaking rat. Oh, let's go. I grabbed him. Oh no. Escape. You can't catch me. Yes. Bye. No, stop. Oh, I died. Oh, I think I should return back to my human form. Wait, where am I? Oh man, I'm back to my human form. Well, it was nice knowing you. Alright, guys, that ends it and wraps it up for episode 6. Today was a long episode. And yeah, Javi, who is the bad guy here, is very evil. So, guys, what I need you to do, spam in the comments, Bad Javi. Wait, okay? And we shall take Javi down together. I already reported him for bullying. So, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.